So she might be nesting, and hopefully we'll have ducklings swimming around here in a little while. All right, Florine, thanks for stopping by. Get some rest. I don't know if I can zoom in where we can see the duck inside. She's in there, though. No, the shadows. You can't really see her. Yeah, it was cool. Yesterday she was swimming in the pond, and then I watched her crawl in there. I was like, oh, no way. That's what we were hoping for. I don't know where the male is. They usually come in pairs, but I know the female's in there. Pretty cool. All right, Moose. Back to Moose. You're a good boy. What do you think? You want belly rubs? You roll over for me? Roll over. Here's the belly. Oh boy. Belly rubs for Moose, because he's such a good boy. Could be. You never know. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Moose's tag, but check that out. You're a good boy. Look at that smile. See this tag? Oh, hold on. Your tag says Moose. That's Moose. Raven's got a raven on it. Cool custom tags. Yeah. You're always so goofy, Moose. You smiling? He's in a trance when he gets the belly rubs. Oh boy. Belly rubs. Oh yeah. Oh, you looking for a puppy? Cool. Good luck. One will turn up. What was that? You hear that? Yeah, that paw. He's still lifting it a little bit. Not perfect. You probably shouldn't be doing those zoomies, Moose.